So this is a remote control car. It's a remote control car, and I didn't get the charger for its battery, so I removed this battery. And because I didn't get the USB charger for this, I figured out that I could charge it with an old used rechargeable torch circuit. So I connected the battery of it to this, and I was able to charge it with this one, and let's see how it works.
Yeah.
If it does work, that means it's perfect. Okay.
It's burned.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's really burned.
Oh, there's some electric shock, but it got the job done. We're gonna connect this one. This is the one which I got it charged by the rechargeable torch circuit.
That's a blue
Let's
color?
see how it works.
Yes, that's the blue color.
Yeah. So we need to
The battery?
connect this one.
The electric battery? The electric battery!
Yes.
We are to rival sneaks? We are to rival sneaks.
I guess. Okay. This it's connected now, and we just place it here.
We have to close it.
Yes, we have to close it.
It's really broke.
Okay.
You
Put it on. Okay, and let's check it out. Oh yes, it works.
Ooh.
Woohoo! It's working perfect.
Ooh.
Woohoo!
This one
Okay, let's put it on the ground. So